On Statoil's efforts to get millions of dollars back from West Virginia counties, its property tax money that was overpaid because of what the company calls a clerical error. News 9's Jessica Haberly sat down with our legal analyst to discuss how this could play out.
Statoil overpaid in Ohio, Marshall, Wetzel, and Brooke counties. All four denied the company's request for repayment, but Statoil isn't giving up without a fight.
News 9 legal analyst Michael Nogue has reviewed the documents. Statoil requested millions of dollars overpaid in property taxes be returned. It filed based on estimated instead of actual revenue.
It seems to me that if the state tax department is going to use only the revenue figures to put a value on property, that it's going to have to use accurate revenue figures from Statoil, so that if they find out that they were only estimated as opposed to actual, that Statoil might well be entitled to this refund.
Statoil says it overpaid $1.8 million in Brooke County, $1.6 million in Wetzel, $2.8 million in Ohio County, and almost $350,000 in Marshall County. Brooke County said that money has already been dispersed.
I would assume that there's going to be, in these four counties, if the money has to be paid back, some cost-cutting measures taking place, and or some negotiations with this company to pay it back over years or in installments.
Statoil claimed the proper figures weren't shared with the company because it wasn't considered the owner or operator.
There may well be a need to revise and correct this quirk in the West Virginia state tax laws about who gets notice of these tax evaluations and appraisements. And it should be the person who actually has to pay the taxes, not who's producing.
Statoil is filing an appeal to the circuit court to try to get its money back from Ohio, Marshall, and Wetzel counties. The company says it's assessing the legal options in Brooke County. Reporting live in the News 9 newsroom, Jessica Haberly, News 9 at 6.